move on. You feel in release. You got no squeeze. And those wise cracks won't make you more stable. No, you learned your lives to scale and to talk. Why must I remind you now I'm only less able? Cut from bad cloth or sore like socks. We're ordinary people, we can't help but to change as we walk and make plans in the dark, or make haste with a boy who can't help but be good people out. And as you talk to me, too much you're assuming. You don't always want what